open your design in Canva. Today, we will demonstrate how to change the border radius on both a shape and an image. Let's start with a shape. From the left menu, open Elements and select a square shape. Now, with the shape selected, open the Border Styles panel. Use the corner rounding slider to change the curve of the border. You can also use the border weight slider to add a colored border to the shape. These options let you style the border to be solid or dashed. Next, let's use the same process to curve the border of an image. Add your image to the canvas and open the Border Styles panel again. As you can see, the same parameters can be applied to an image file. You can change the color of your border by selecting the Border Color tab like so. And that's it. Be sure to like and subscribe for more quick Canva tutorials like this one.